It's really heavy. Today alone I had to take 2 tests, write 3 essays, get a wedgie, take a pop quiz, give a wedgie, memorize a dumb poem, and climb a dirty old rope that led to nowhere. And worst of all, I got my algebra test back and I flunked. Since when are letters in math? And now my teacher, Miss Capshaw, is making me get a tutor. What if the tutor's mean? What if I mean to the tutor? What if the tutor dresses funny? What if I can't read the tutor's handwriting and end up dumber than when I started? What if the tutor thinks we should get started with the lesson? Ah! When did you get there?
Since I let myself in a half hour ago, sugar. I'm Eloise.
You don't hate puppies, do you?
Why, heavens to Betsy, no! I dare say that puppies are the cotton candy of the animal kingdom.
How can a puppy be candy?
Sugar, that was a metaphor.
A for what? And how can I be sugar?
Golly, look at the time. You know, seeing as I'm here to tutor you in math and not English, maybe we should get started.
Okay, I guess so. Oh, I have so many questions, I don't know where to start. What is a squared plus b squared equals c squared? Can ever equal c rectangle? I know 3.14 equals pi, but pi is supposed to be something delicious, and there's nothing delicious about a number that goes on forever. And not to go on a tangent, but what is tangent? And who would win in a fight between a denominator and a numerator? Oh, of course, the denominator.
My sweet stars, I dare say I never met anyone like you in my whole life, Freddie Figglehorn. But before I answer your questions, I have a few of my own for you.
What's your favorite color? How many kids do you want to have when you're older? Are you on Team Edward or Team Jacob? Have you ever had a girlfriend? Was her name Lila? I bet it was Lila. Darn you, Lila!
I'm sorry, I'm not usually the jealous type. What's in the past is past. Lila Schmila.
Do you have a girlfriend now?
You talk funny. Where are you from?
Why, Georgia, darling.
Ain't I a peach?
Why is everyone a food to you?
Well, shucks. I don't know. It just is, Cupcake.
Please excuse me for a moment. I have to use the restroom. Oh, and damn it! Did you hear her? Who rattles off that many questions in a row like that? And what's with her accent? She said she's from Georgia. Let's see exactly where this Georgia is. It's in Russia! Of course, I thought that was a Russian accent. Why would my algebra tutor be from Russia? And why would she want to know what my favorite color is and if I have a girlfriend? Because she's not a tutor. She's a spy. That's how she got into the house without me hearing her. With her spy tools. Unless I just left the door unlocked. No, she's a spy. I may be flunking math, but this is one equation I can solve. Then she took my picture and shoved it in her bag, and then left this warning note in my locker. Roses are red, violets are blue. Just thought you should know. I've got my eye on you. Did you hear that, Mom? That's spy speak for she's watching me all the time. If these aren't the actions of a spy, I don't know what is.
What kind of government secrets could you possibly have?
Plenty, Mom. Plenty.
Mr. Prime Minister, look, this is a very serious and urgent matter. Can you hold on for 1 minute? I gotta take that. Yeah, it's the Fred line. Okay. Hey, Fred, how are you? You're kidding. Well, thank you for once again saving us all from global chaos. You know what? I'm gonna send another Presidential Medal of Honor in the mail to you. Okay. You still at the same address?
Yes, and bubble wrap them this time. Okay, Mom, it looks like we have... Mom!
And then, if you divide each side by y and reduce the fraction, you should end up with x equals 351,073. See?
That spells your name!
What? It does.
Would you excuse me for a minute? Bertha, where are you? You're never gonna believe what Eloise did. She spelled her name upside down on the calculator. Only a spy could possibly do that.
Allison,